Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Since you want the bedroom to be a place where you feel relaxed and calm, you don't want to overdo it when decorating. However, it's always great to bring in some fun pieces that add visual interest and color to the room. Decorating this space is what will make it your own. So have some fun choosing a few fun accessories. Look for a set of two matching table lamps you can place on each nightstand. The base of the table lamp can be made of colorful glass, shimmering mosaic, or try a sleek metal sculpture piece. These lamps add a nice warm glow to your bedroom while giving you extra light for reading before bedtime. Textiles are the perfect way to dress up your bedroom, and you can easily change them as desired. Try a fun colorful throw blanket and add that to the foot of your bed. Enhance the bed with a vibrant throw pillows in a variety of different patterns and styles. Bring a fresh touch to your bedroom with a few potted plants. These lively accessories add a touch of greenery and cheer to your bedroom and give it a boost of charm and personality. If you have enough shelving, consider adding a few small sculptures or some of your favorite framed photos. Install wall sconces on each side of the bed for added light if you need it. Sconces are also an excellent alternative to table lamp if your nightstand are on the smaller side. There are a few basic principles when it comes to designing a bedroom. Color plays a vital role in any living space, so consider making your bedroom bolder with a two-tone paint scheme. Navy blue and white are perfect choices if you are aiming for a nautical look. You can also add wallpaper to one part of the bedroom. For an awesome feature wall, hang string lights in the bedroom for a sweet twinkling light that add a fun element to the room. The possibilities are endless when choosing decorative elements for this room. Just be wary not to add too much or else it may start to feel cluttered. Integrate as many pieces as you want that will make the room feel unique and fun while having a calming effect. The selection of furniture is important when you do not have enough space. You can choose small desk to save up some space in your bedroom. You can use 3-in-1 bed. It can change the bed into mini cupboard and sofa. To make it more perfect, you can attach a cabinet on the wall. The function is to put your book if you do not use it rather than you put it on the floor. It will disturb your activity in small bedroom. You do not need to choose complicated wall texture to beautify the room. Actually, simple bedroom design does not require extraordinary wall decor, but it will make your room feel lonely. To prevent it, you can choose the simple decor for your bedroom. You can copy